Hello future year 3, hope you're all keeping safe and well. I just want to say a really big hello. I'm Miss Shaw and I can't wait to start teaching you in September, and Miss McCormack has already told me lots of wonderful things all about you. So just a little bit about me. I really like baking, I like taking my dog Ted for a walk, and I enjoy playing tennis as well. Okay? In year 3, you're now the juniors, okay? But you're downstairs, so you are the big role models for our Key Stage 1 children as well. And also in year 3, we have our teaching assistant called Mrs. Parkinson, who also goes by Mrs. P, who is there to help us every morning in our learning. So you'll be starting your journey into Key Stage 2. And I've had a few questions asking, is it going to be really hard and tricky? Well, we are here to support you, and it is going to be a bit of a challenge because it's a big jump from Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 2, but we are there to help, and we love teaching you in lots of fun and active ways, and you've got lots of nice new topics to look forward to. So your first history topic when you come back in September is going to be the Stone Age, and we're going to create our classroom into a big Stone Age cave, and we might even make Stonehenge out of biscuits. We've got things like volcanoes and earthquakes to look forward to, where we make our volcano coming out, and we also might do an earthquake drill with it. You've also then got the amazing Mrs. Williams coming and joining you to teach you how to play the recorder in music, and also to teach you a bit of French as well, which is really exciting. So they are just a few little snippets of things to look forward to next year. Okay, and on to answering a few of your questions. So you will see I've changed scenery. So this is going to be your new cloakroom. You've all got your own label pegs, and then these are going to be the year 3 and 4 toilets that you will share. Other questions, you will have boxes for your PE, bags to go into, and they're labelled with your new houses, but more information on that to come when you start in September. A second question I've had is about lunchtime. In Key Stage 2, we'd have lunch a teeny tiny bit later at 12:15, okay? It takes you about half term to get used to it, so make sure you bring a nice fruity snack to keep you going in the morning. And then the final question I've had is all about playtimes. So you will now be on the junior yard. So you'll get to go on the football pitch, and there's also lots of other fun activities in the box. So you've got stilts, you've got lots of skipping ropes and lots of active equipment as well as the active boards, and even some benches now to sit and chill on. So there's lots to keep you busy. And one final message from me. We have got a nice transition activity set for you. So to start our transition activity, I've got a lovely poem to introduce, and it's called Little Bees, because in year 3 you are going to be a hive of activity. So here we go. Here's Little Bees. 3 little bees up in the trees, drinking cups of tea that sat on their knees. One little bee said, "Why don't we go and see our neighbours and offer them some tea?" They left their seats and got their treats, then flew to their friends up and down all the streets. 3 little bees, happy in trees, feel it's good to help their friends in need. So I hope you enjoyed that poem, and that is to introduce your transition activity. So I would really like you all to make a buzzy bumblebee, because like I said before, in year 3 we are going to be a hive of activity. So on our class page on year 3, I have put our buzzy bee template. I would really like you to bring your bee in on September, so then we can put it up on our display above the board so everybody's got their part on there. It doesn't have to be made out of tissue paper. If you would just like to colour it, if you would like to paint it, that is absolutely fine. It'd be lovely to see lots of different types of bees up there to be how unique each and every one of you are. If you can, it'd be lovely if you could get a photo of you on there as well. Okay, so remember that template is on our website, on our class page. So that's it from me. I hope you have a lovely, restful summer, and I can't wait to see you all in September. See you soon.